You just picked up your phone to call someone important, maybe your boss, your doctor, or even a close friend, and their contact is just gone. Completely disappeared. No name, no number, nothing. If that's happened to you, trust me, you're not alone. It's one of the most frustrating things that can happen on your iPhone right now, especially when you need that number exactly right now. But here's the good news. In most cases, your contacts aren't really gone forever. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why iPhone contacts disappear and, more importantly, how to get them back. So stick around, because by the end of this video, your contacts will be right back where they belong. Before we jump into fixes, let's quickly go over the most common reasons that contacts vanish from your iPhone. Understanding the cause can save you a lot of time. First is iCloud sync issues. If iCloud contacts is turned off or got toggled off during an update, your contacts won't show up on your device anymore. Second, an accidental iOS update or reset can sometimes wipe or hide contacts if things go wrong mid-process. Third, signing out of an Apple ID or switching to a new one can cause contacts tied to your old account to disappear. Fourth, simply deleting contacts by mistake is more common than you would think, especially with accidental taps. And fifth, using multiple accounts like Gmail or Outlook on your phone can sometimes cause contacts from one account to not display properly. Now, let's move on to the real solutions. The first method is using iCloud to restore your contacts. Here's how. On your computer, open a browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, click on your name in the top right corner and go to iCloud settings. Go to data recovery, and under that you will see the option to restore contacts. Click it and confirm it. Keep in mind, this method replaces your current contacts with the backup version, so any contacts you added after that backup date will be lost. It's a good option, but it does come with that trade-off. The second method is to restore from an iTunes or Finder backup. This works well if you regularly back up your iPhone to your computer. So, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes, click on your device when it appears, then select Restore Backup. You will see a list of available backups. Pick the most recent one that still had your contacts. Click Restore and wait for the process to complete. One important heads up here, this process only works if you have iTunes backup, and restoring from an iTunes or Finder backup will erase everything currently on your iPhone and replace it with the backup. That means any new photos, messages, or apps you've added since that backup will be gone. So if you have recent data you can't afford to lose, this might not be the best route for you. Now, for your case, you might not have any iTunes backup, but don't worry, there's a much smarter solution for you. It's called Tenorshare UltData for iOS, and honestly, it's a game changer for iPhone data recovery. So, what exactly is Tenorshare UltData? It's a professional data recovery tool designed specifically for Apple devices. What makes it stand out is that it can recover lost contacts and over 30 other types of data directly from your iPhone without needing any backup at all. It works without requiring you to jailbreak your phone, it doesn't overwrite any of your existing data, and it gives you a full preview of what it finds before you commit to recovering anything. It's compatible with all iPhone models and the latest iOS versions, including iPhone 17 series and iOS 27. Now, let me show you exactly how to use it. Step 1. Download and install Tenorshare UltData on your Windows PC or Mac. I'll put the link in the description below. Step 2 is launch the software and then connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure you trust the computer on your iPhone when prompted. Now, on the UltData home screen, select the first option, which is Recover Data from iOS Device. Then click Start Scan. UltData will begin scanning your iPhone for all recoverable data. Once the scan is complete, you will see a full preview of everything that was found. Click on Contacts to filter the results. You'll be able to see all the contacts that were deleted or lost from your device, names, numbers, everything. Now, lastly, select the specific contacts you want to recover. You don't have to restore everything. You can just pick the ones you need, then click Recover to Computer or Recover to Device based on your preference. And that's it. Within just a few minutes, your lost contacts are back. No backup needed, no data erased, no risk to your current iPhone content. It is really as simple as that. UltData can also recover your data, which includes your contacts from iCloud as well, but without losing any files or overwriting. For that, click on the Data Recovery from iCloud option on the UltData's homepage and log into your Apple ID. Next, select the types of data that you want to recover. For our case, I'll select all the contacts and click on the Scan button. Wait for the process to complete. Once the scan has completed successfully, select the contacts that you want to recover and click on the Recover to PC button. You can also use UltData to recover data from iTunes as well. For that, on the main screen of UltData, click on Recover Data from iTunes button. Choose the iTunes backup that you have and click Next. Select the type of data you want to recover. For our case, we'll select Contacts and click on the Scan button. Again, wait for the process to complete. Select the contacts that you want to recover and click on the Recover to PC button. As simple as that. So, to recap, first try restoring through iCloud or an iTunes backup. And if it doesn't work or you just don't want to risk losing your current data, Tenorshare UltData is hands down the easiest and safest way to get your contacts back without a backup. I'll drop the link to UltData in the description so you can check it out for yourself. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot and helps more people find this video when they need it. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out our next tip and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.